Earth and soil. Earth. It is the planet that supports life. Water, land, air, and sunlight are the natural resources of Earth. Layers of Earth. There are 3 layers of Earth. Crust. It is the outermost layer of Earth. The thickness of crust is about 50 kilometers. The layer where we live in is crust. It is made up of rocks, mountains, deserts, plains and oceans. Mantle. The layer next to crust is called mantle. It is about 2,900 kilometers thick. It is a layer of hot rocks. Core. It is the innermost layer. It is about 6,400 kilometers thick. It is the layer that is too hot to imagine. Its temperature is 4,000 degrees centigrade. Rocks. Earth is made up of rocks. Rocks are made up of minerals. Minerals are made up of many chemical substances. There are many types of rocks. Some rocks are hard and some are soft, having different shapes, colors and sizes. Chalk. It is a very soft rock and can be crushed into powder. It is used in cement, lime and toothpaste. Granite. It is a kind of rock that is very hard. It is used in making building and roads. Sometimes huge pieces of rock are used as pillars. Minerals. Minerals are made up of many chemical substances. The different colors of rocks are due to these substances. There is only on rock in some mineral. Granite rock contains quartz and feldspar minerals, and white marble contain only one mineral, calcite. Quartz and feldspar minerals and white marble contain only one mineral, calcite. Copper, iron, silver and gold are also minerals. Metals can be melted. Silver and gold are used for making ornaments. Iron is used for making tools and machinery. Aluminium is used for making frames and pots. Soil. The outer layer of Earth in which plants grow, a black or dark brown material typically consisting of a mixture of organic remains, clay, and rock particles. Soil that is good for the growth of plants is called fertile soil.